Hello all. Time for a little bit of a other side of the story. We have someone talking about a major victory, a righteous victory, a jury rendered verdict of not guilty in a case that we filed. Um, First of all, the case that we filed is a case that a couple of people claimed for the longest time we never filed. So yes, we did file it. Two, it is a dismissal without prejudice. Does not mean there was some kind of a royal or a righteous legal verdict or a jury rendered verdict of not guilty. All it means is that the case did not go to court yet. It did not go to court yet. What does that mean? That means a couple of things. That means, well, let's look at what a prejudice without dismissal without prejudice means. Dismissed without prejudice means that a case is dismissed for now. That is a key word, for now. But the prosecutor or the petitioner can still refile a case at a later point. In cases dismissed without prejudice, the plaintiff may be able to correct any errors and then bring the action again. So, do we disagree with what the prosecutor said? Yes, we do. Can we bring the action again by correcting our errors? Oh, yes, we can. Will we? That's going to be up to us. That's going to be up to us, depending on what other people do. Um, we are disappointed that the case just didn't go through. We are disappointed that it just didn't happen like the prosecutor said that if they had any questions they would contact us. But that's the way it is. That's life in the Philippines. A prosecuting attorney in any country will not really take on a case unless they're really sure they can win. As far as they thought, they apparently did not even see all of the evidence, but that's okay. We can do it again if we want. So to celebrate some kind of a righteous victory is a little premature because there was no victory that was won. What there is we can do it again is that the prosecuting attorney was not ready to take the case to a judge. All right? That's all it means. That's up to you what you people want to do about it, but that's the way it is. What we do about it depends on what you do about it. My other suggestion would be leave God out of it. Leave how righteous you are with God and how terrible other people are without God. One, when two people do a trip into the mountains and you call them stupid liars that they weren't where they said they were, God knows who you're talking about. When you call a mother of a child with a speech impediment that she's a terrible, lazy mother because she's not talking yet without saying their name, God knows who you're talking about. When you attack somebody who abandoned their children in Leyte and went to Cebu to spread her legs for her foreign boyfriend without saying their names, God knows who you're talking about. When you attack somebody who's shopping with baskets and not carts, when you attack somebody who bought a laptop, or went to Jollibee's, or who did cooking that you already did, without saying their names, God knows who you're talking about. So please leave God out of it. We have not, or my partner's never said a word about how you cook, how you shop, how you live. Has never made a comment about anything you've done. You claim that you've moved on, that you don't care, you don't watch, but you spend most of your time caring and watching and commenting about, well, I don't know, you don't mention their names, but God knows who you're talking about. So anyway, let's keep things in the realm of reality and not a fantasy of some kind of righteous verdict of innocence. There was no court case, and we can file it any time again that we want. What we do is up to you and your Irish friend.